Hey, how's it going? I got another unboxing of the Lacoste to be the boss. You know, the Lacoste. I got another unboxing of the Lacoste to be the boss. You know what I'm saying? The Lacoste with the gator on the tongue and the leather insides. Gator on the tongue with the leather inside. You know, of the Lacoste to be the boss. You know what I'm saying? Cause it costs to be the boss. You know what I'm saying? Uh, can't really say too much about these things, man. As you can see them by yourself, you know what I'm saying? With the tan bottom and the red outside with the white, you know what I'm saying? Love that tan bottom, you know what I'm saying? Of the Lacoste to be the boss, you know what I'm saying? Leather insides with the gator on the tongue. Beautiful gator on the tongue. Real dope, real nice. You know what I'm saying? Lacoste to be the boss, baby. Lacoste to be the boss. Lacoste to be the boss. The price tag on these is $150. You can see price tag on these is $150. The khaki bottom with the burgundy on the heel. Red all around. You know what I'm saying? Leather insides. You know what I'm saying? And the cost to be the boss, man. There you go. There you have it. The Lacoste to be the boss. Let me know what you think, man. Leave your comments, your likes, and let me know if you're feeling them a like, you know, or the 150. You know, leave your comments below. Subscribe for a chance to win a pair like this. You know what I'm saying? Let me know your comments and leave some love on the comments. You know how it is. The Lacoste to be the boss. That's what it is. We out, man.